Today we'll learn how to create a classic interactive word search puzzle using Genially. This time, we'll use Einstein as our main character. Did I already tell you that you can reuse this presentation or add it to your own for free with just one click? Just go to the link in the description, open the Genially, hit Reuse, and voila! High-level interactivity and resources one click away. Let's start with the assets. I left you a button that takes you directly to a Genially page where you can reuse them. Click the link, and then press Use as Template. A new browser tab will open. Now go to Pages. Click Add Page. Under Template, select Blank, and then click Add. We'll begin with the grid background. On the top left, select Designer Mode, or press Ctrl+M. Select the background image, copy it, and paste it into the canvas. Set the size to 1200 for width and 675 for height. Now select the object and click Center. To confirm everything is properly aligned, use the bottom right toggle, the pencil/I style button. Bring in the first Einstein graphic, copy, and paste it. Then go to Position and align it to the bottom right. Resize it, and done. Now select the word search puzzle, copy it, and paste it into the workspace. Align it to the bottom left. To add more contrast, we'll place a yellow background behind the puzzle. Go to Resources, then Shapes and Connectors. Click Show More, and choose a yellow rectangle. Resize it so it fits the grid layout and sits behind the puzzle area. Next, go back to Resources, then Shapes and Connectors, and choose a white square or rectangle. Place it under the word list so the words are easier to read. Now we'll prepare the face swaps. Cut out the second Einstein face and place it exactly on top of the first one. Same position, same scale, perfectly aligned. Now let's edit the word search widget. Click the widget and press Edit. Link the first word, in this case, Einstein, then click Add Action, choose Reveal Item, and select the Einstein face sticking out his tongue. Save. Repeat the process for the next reaction. Cut, paste, and resize the Einstein face laughing with closed eyes. Go back to the widget, click Edit, find the second word, Mass, then Add Action, Reveal Item, select the new face and hit Save. Repeat again for the next reaction. Cut, paste, resize if needed. Widget, Edit, find the third word, Space, then Add Action, Reveal Item, select the new face, and save. Finally, exit Edit mode and test the interaction. Every time the user finds a word, Einstein's expression changes automatically. Why do I use Genially? Because it lets me edit my presentations from any device. Everything is saved online, it has a free plan, and, best of all, with just one click on a link, you get top-tier interactive templates to level up your presentations. This was truly a trip at the speed of light. Don't forget to tell us in the comments what topic, character, or interaction you'd like to see in upcoming videos. See you soon!